What is a liaison? A liaison is when the final silent consonant of a word is pronounced with the vowel sound of the word that follows. For example, mon. It ends with a silent N. However, if I use it in this phrase, there is a liaison between mon, which ends with a silent consonant N, and ami, which starts with the vowel A. The consonant N is not silent anymore, and it is pronounced with the vowel sound that follows. C'est mon ami. C'est mon ami. But in this sentence, there is no liaison, as the word that follows mon starts with a consonant. The final consonant N of mon remains silent. C'est mon chat. C'est mon chat. The liaison adds an extra sound. Chez. Je suis chez elle. Je suis chez elle. On est arrivé. On est arrivé. Premier. J'habite au premier étage. J'habite au premier étage. The liaison can add 7 different consonant sounds. The is added when the liaison is made with the final silent consonants S, X, and Z. Des. J'ai des enfants. J'ai des enfants. De. Elle a 2 ans. Elle a 2 ans. Chez. Je vais chez eux. Je vais chez eux. Ne is added when the liaison is made with the final silent consonant N. En. J'habite en Angleterre. J'habite en Angleterre. Te is added when the liaison is made with the final silent consonants T and D. Petit. C'est un petit ordinateur. C'est un petit ordinateur. Grand. C'est un grand homme. C'est un grand homme. As you can see, the word homme starts with the consonant H, but as H is silent, the word starts with the vowel sound O. Liaisons can happen between the final silent consonant of a word and the word that follows it if it begins with a vowel or a mute H. The is added when the liaison is made between the number 9 and the words heure and en. Neuf. Il est 9 heures. Il est 9 heures. J'ai 19 ans. J'ai 19 ans. Neuf doesn't end with a silent consonant, but its f sound is pronounced the with heure and en. With all the other words, the consonant f is not silent and it is pronounced f. Il y a 9 étudiants. Il y a 9 étudiants. Re is added when the liaison is made with the final silent consonant R. Premier. Elle attend son premier enfant. Elle attend son premier enfant. P is added when the liaison is made with the final silent consonant P. Trop. C'est trop important. C'est trop important. G is added when the liaison is made with the final silent consonant G. Long. C'est un longuivert. C'est un longuivert. Liaisons are important. Not only the French might not understand you if you forget a compulsory liaison or make a forbidden liaison, but liaisons can help you differentiate between singular and plural. Il. Il aime le chocolat. Il aime le chocolat. Ils aiment le chocolat. Ils aiment le chocolat. Leur. Leur. Ils sont venus avec leur enfant. Ils sont venus avec leur enfant. Ils sont venus avec leurs enfants. Ils sont venus avec leurs enfants. Liaisons can help you differentiate between different ideas. 6. The S sound of number 6 is replaced by a Z sound in the liaison. 6 ans. 600. The number 6 is pronounced si when the word that follows starts with a consonant. The same happens with number 10. 10. 10 hommes. 10 femmes. Liaisons can also help you differentiate between masculine and feminine. Grand, grande, grand ami, grand dami. There are compulsory, prohibited, and optional liaisons. The liaison is compulsory between a determiner and the noun or adjective that follows it. The determiner can be an article. Un arbre. Des assiettes. Les épinards. The determiner can also be a possessive adjective. Mon œil. Ses yeux. Nos amis. The determiner can be a demonstrative adjective. Ces étudiants. Ces abeilles. Ces enfants. The determiner can be a number. 2 ans. 3 objets. 10 élèves. The determiner can be an indefinite adjective. Aucun homme. Quelques heures. Plusieurs araignées. The liaison is compulsory between an adjective and the noun that follows it. Gros, de gros ennuis. Grand, un grand homme. Petit, un petit ordinateur. The liaison is compulsory between the subject pronoun and the verb that follows it. On est. Vous avez. Elles habitent. The liaison is compulsory between the object pronoun and the verb that follows it. Je les appelle. Il n'y en a plus. Nous, ça nous arrive. The liaison is compulsory between two pronouns. Ils y pensent. Nous, il nous en a parlé. Elles y sont déjà allées. The liaison is compulsory between the verb and the pronouns that follows it. Allons, allons-y. Prends-en. Ont-ils appelé? The liaison is compulsory after a one-syllable preposition. Dans une heure. Elle est chez elle. Sans sans oignon. En Irlande. Sous un pont. The liaison is compulsory between a one-syllable adverb and the adjective that follows it. Plus, c'est plus avantageux. Très, c'est très important. Bien, un stade bien avancé. The liaison is compulsory within most compound words and fixed expressions. Les Champs-Élysées, les États-Unis. Un sous-entendu. Avant-hier, de temps en temps, de plus en plus, de moins en moins, plus ou moins, petit à petit, tout à l'heure, tout à fait. The liaison is forbidden after a. The final T of a never comes to life with the liaisons. It always remains silent. Et une fille et un garçon. Un homme et une femme. The liaison is forbidden before an aspirated H. In French, there are two H, the mute H and the aspirated H. Both H are silent. The difference is that the mute H allows the liaison and the aspirated H prohibits it. There is no rule to know when an H is mute and when it is aspirated. To find out whether the initial H of a word is mute or aspirated, you can consult Wikipedia or the Larousse Bilingual Dictionary. This apostrophe indicates an aspirated H. Both links are in the description. En haut, un hamac. The liaison is forbidden before the numbers 8 and 11. Les 8 garçons. Les 11 filles. The liaison is forbidden between the singular noun and the adjective that follows it. Un étudiant étranger. Un garçon anglais. The liaison is forbidden between the subject and the verb that follows it, if the subject is a polysyllabic pronoun or a nominal group, such as a determiner plus a noun, or a determiner plus a noun plus an adjective, and so on. Quelqu'un arrive. Les enfants appellent. Un enfant courageux arrive. The liaison is forbidden before first names. Chez Annabelle. Chez Olivia. Chez Alex. The liaison is forbidden after interrogative adverbs. Quand arrivez-vous? Combien en veux-tu? Comment as-tu su? With the exception of this question in which the liaison is required. Comment allez-vous? And except when quand is followed by est-ce que. In this case, the liaison is also compulsory. Quand est-ce que vous arrivez? Quand arrivez-vous? Quand est-ce que tu as mangé? Quand as-tu mangé? For all other cases, the liaison is optional. However, optional liaisons are quite formal. Optional liaisons are rarely used in everyday life. Now that you understand what a liaison is and the different sounds it adds, pay attention to the final silent consonants in a word when you practice active listening. By practicing active listening, you will see the liaison rules in context, and that's when they will make sense. Watch this video to learn more about active listening. À la semaine prochaine!